Hey folks, how you doing today? So we just got in this fully restored 1910 Red Star match vending machine. Apparently this machine was only made for 1 year, as I read in my books. It's beautiful. As you see, it's done in black and gold. Red Star, it's got 4 stars on it. Put a penny in it. And what happens is the matches simply rotate to the left and right, emptying all the columns equally. I have put in there the appropriate matches, which are the thick box matches. So I'm going to leave all of this in here for you. As you see, it's really nice, done in black and gold. Works good, original lock and keys. This is your cash box. This is to load your matches. Runs great, looks great, is great. And if you buy it before noon, any work day, we'll be happy to get it out the same day. Great little 1910 Red Star match vending machine.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.